comes the transportation process. And when we are talking about the transportation, transport hona hai, kisko hona hai? Lot of things are there. I have just highlighted the ones which have been mentioned in the NCERT. The food, the proteins, the waste, the carbon dioxide, the hormones, the enzymes, the salts, the minerals. These all things need to be transported in this particular blood. So blood, first thing, is the major part of the transportation system. It is the liquid connective tissue. First thing that you have to understand, it is the first of all the मीडियम एक माध्यम है जिसमें ये सब कुछ चलकर जाएगा, पहुंचाया जाएगा, सर्कुलेट किया जाएगा. और नंबर 2, आपको ये ध्यान रखना है, lot of cells are there, so it is called the connective tissue. You remember the 9th class topic, the tissue is a similar cells working together in the same function, so you know that thing. So now my focus right now will be the blood. Blood is the first thing that we talked about. It is a liquid connective tissue. It is a medium to transport food, medium to transport waste, medium to transport the oxygen, the gases, the carbon dioxide, the minerals, enzymes. Now first thing we have to understand, as an average human beings, they have 5 to 6 liter of blood we have got. Suddenly my students turned up, ma'am, how it is a cell? We could not see when the blood oozes out. I cannot see the things there. So my dear students, it is all microscopic. Blood has been, when blood has been taken out, then it has been taken out and it was found that it has got 2 parts, the cellular part and the liquid part. The liquid part is the plasma. It is a straw colored liquid. And you won't believe the 60% of what blood we have got, it has plasma 60%. अगर मैं पूरे ब्लड को एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में डालूंगी तो उसका सबसे मेजर पोर्शन जो होगा वो प्लाज्मा का होगा. देन कम्स द सेलुलर पार्ट. अब इस बात को समझने के लिए हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं कि अगर हम एक चाय को हम बना रहे हैं, वी आर बॉइलिंग द टी एंड वी आर फिल्टरिंग इट आउट, द फिल्टर, the sieve that is going to get the solid part and the liquid part is drained out in a cup. सेम वे जब मैं ब्लड को छानूंगी तो लिक्विड पार्ट ड्रेन होगा कप में, विच इज मोर, एंड जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट सीव में रह जाएगा वो होगा सेलुलर पार्ट. सेम वेज, एंड वी हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग. हमने ये इस टॉपिक पे शायद पहले कभी तक ध्यान से नहीं किया, लेकिन अभी राइट नाउ वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन दिस टॉपिक दैट दिस कनेक्टिव टिश्यू हैज 2 पार्ट. द लिक्विड पार्ट फ्लूइड कॉल्ड द प्लाज्मा, इट इज अ straw colored liquid where all the things are there, and the cellular part which are doing some specific functions. Number 1 is the red blood cells, erythrocytes. Erythrocytes, they have one part to do. They are carrying the hemoglobin, the red pigment, and heme के साथ oxygen will be combining and will be transporting O2. So the major function that it is going to do is it is going to work on the transportation of the very important aspect, that is the oxygen. So it is not concerned with other things. It is going to carry only hemoglobin, heme, which gives a red color to the blood, and in this hemoglobin it is going to carry the oxygen. Then comes the white blood cells. Only function, fight off infection. They are going, lot of WBCs are there. They are basically the colorless ones. They are in different shapes also. You will learn about them later on. But WBCs are majorly dealing with only fighting the infection. Then comes the platelets. At times when the blood vessels are broken down, the leakage is there. These platelets, they join hands together and put that and stand up there on the blockage part, make a plate over there, and this plate is called the clot, and thereby stops the bleeding. So excess water loss will be prevented by this method. So my dear student, let's summarize the whole thing. We have talked about the blood connective tissue. It is a medium to transport these things. The parts, it has got 2 parts, the liquid part, solid part. The liquid part is called plasma. It is the major part. It carries salts, hormones, enzymes, etc. Cellular part, which has got RBCs, WBCs and the platelet. And very important, अगर जब हम पूरे टेस्ट ट्यूब में इसको छानते हैं तो सबसे 60% तो इस प्लाज्मा, then 35 around percentage is your RBC. So only few percentage of WBCs and platelets are there. The next important thing in the blood is RBC. And what is the function we have discussed here? It is going to carry the oxygen. Why this is going to do this business? Because it has got the red pigment called hemoglobin. Heme, that is iron, it stands for iron. Globin is a protein. So basically hemoglobin is going to do the carrying the oxygen and thus providing it with this. Roughly we are going to talk about the basically the fluid is the connective tissue, the cellular part, the nitrogenous waste it is also going to carry, and this completes our very important section of the blood, the transport system, the blood section. And in the next class we are going to